Do you want to speak English just like the stars? Well, today, we've got a treat for you. Let's learn English with none other than the stunning Vidya Balan. Ready to learn some superstar phrases that'll make you sound as confident as she does on screen? Let's dive in.
Say, why did you dangle the carrot in front of me? If this
Dangle the carrot means offering a reward to motivate someone. Example: the manager dangled the carrot of a bonus to increase productivity.
it's like fear is a self-fulfilling prophecy. It's exactly
Fulfilling prophecy means a prediction that comes true because people act to make it happen. Example: she feared failure so much that her actions became a self-fulfilling prophecy.
what I mean. Just as an analogy,
Analogy means comparing two things to show similarities between them. Example: the teacher used an analogy of a tree to explain growth.
being put through the ringer to know.
Ringer means someone who secretly takes someone else's place or role. Example: he was a ringer on the team, pretending to be new.
I still think there was something that kept that fire burning.
Kept that fire burning means maintaining passion, motivation, or enthusiasm. Example: her love for dancing kept that fire burning throughout the years.
See, I have inherited from my parents. I think because of
Inherited means receiving something from a family member or ancestor. Example: she inherited her grandmother's necklace as a family keepsake.
how desperately has a slightly.
Desperate means feeling a strong need or wanting something badly. Example: he was desperate to find a solution before the deadline.
thing that is, maybe I would have lost my bearings.
Bearings means knowing your position or understanding where you are. Example: after getting lost, she took a moment to find her bearings.
I suffered from the imposter syndrome, I think.
Imposter syndrome means feeling like a fraud despite being successful. Example: she struggled with imposter syndrome, doubting her abilities at work.
And I'd be like, no, it's just not gripping me.
Gripping me means something that deeply engages or excites me. Example: the movie was gripping me, I couldn't look away.
Able to read for leisure again, not
Leisure means free time to relax or do enjoyable activities. Example: she enjoys reading books in her leisure after work.
we evolve technology. I didn't know.
Evolve means to gradually develop or change into something better. Example: over time, technology has evolved to make life easier.
How it would materialize, right? Because I don't.
Materialize means to become real or visible, often unexpectedly. Example: his plans to travel finally materialized after years of saving.
I don't know whether I'm going to be able to pursue it. And this
Pursue means to follow or try to achieve something. Example: she decided to pursue her dream of becoming a doctor.
opportunity literally fell into my lap.
Fell into my lap means received unexpectedly without effort. Example: the job offer fell into my lap through a friend.
With family in tow, my
Family in my tow means having family with me everywhere. Example: she traveled to the wedding with her family in tow.
wrong there. This girl is jinxed.
Jinxed means having bad luck or causing things to go wrong. Example: every time he plays, the team loses, he's jinxed.
Thrown out of after shooting for it for a week.
Thrown out of means forcibly removed or expelled from somewhere. Example: he was thrown out of the club for bad behavior.
There are no straight lines, right? It's all intertwined. There's no one.
Intertwined means things closely connected or twisted together. Example: their lives were intertwined, sharing both joy and challenges.
It made me deny my femininity.
Deny means refusing to accept, admit, or agree to something. Example: he denied taking the money, insisting he was innocent.
Just one. I've had a history of hormonal issues, so it's always been a challenge for me to shed weight.
Shed weight means to lose body weight or become lighter. Example, she shed weight by exercising regularly and eating healthy meals.
You must love your food, and these things used to piss me off before. Now,
Piss me, informally, means making me angry or annoyed. Example, it really pisses me off when people are rude for no reason.
wonderfully revelatory how
Revelatory means revealing something surprising or previously unknown. Example, the documentary was revelatory, showing hidden truths about the historical event.
that deep-rooted, because actually
Deep-rooted means strongly established and difficult to change or remove. Example, her deep-rooted fear of heights kept her from climbing mountains.
honor of the family.
Honor of the family means respect and pride for family reputation. Example, he worked hard to protect the honor of the family name.
With the famous people, just to draw people in, and then I think
Draw people means attracting or pulling people towards something or someone. Example, the exciting event is sure to draw people from everywhere.
in that sense, yes, famous fleeting.
Fleeting means lasting for a very short time. Example, their happiness was fleeting, disappearing as quickly as it came.
What about your legacy?
Legacy means something handed down from the past or inherited. Example, the artist left a lasting legacy through her beautiful paintings.
I feel I've been blessed with abundance in every way.
Abundance means a large quantity or more than enough of something. Example, the garden produced an abundance of vegetables during the summer.
More I spoke about, I wanted to sensationalize things, and now when I look,
Sensationalize means to exaggerate or make something seem more dramatic. Example, the media tends to sensationalize stories for more attention and views.
what drew me to him was how
Drew me means attracted or pulled me towards something or someone. Example, the beautiful melody drew me to the concert hall.
I'm showing interest in you, and therefore it's a way to ingratiate themselves.
Ingratiate means trying to gain someone's favor through flattery or efforts. Example, he tried to ingratiate himself with his boss by complimenting her ideas.
Beautiful. I cannot tell you how liberating it is.
Liberating means making someone feel free or releasing them from restrictions. Example, traveling alone was a liberating experience that boosted her confidence.
You don't care. I think it's just fascinating, right?
Fascinating means extremely interesting and capable of capturing attention. Example, the documentary about space was absolutely fascinating to watch.
I was propelled in that direction earlier.
Propelled means pushed or moved something forward with force. Example, the strong wind propelled the boat across the lake.
The empathy or the
Empathy means understanding and sharing the feelings of others. Example, she showed empathy by comforting her friend after the loss.
at the end of the day, you want to share your triumphs.
Triumphs means great victories or achievements after overcoming challenges. Example, the team's triumphs this season brought pride to their city.
I was still craving that.
Craving means a strong desire for something, especially food or experience. Example, she had a craving for chocolate after a long day.
But in retrospect,
Retrospect means thinking back on past events or experiences. Example, in retrospect, she realized how much she had learned from mistakes.
and you don't have to articulate them, they just happen.
Articulate means expressing ideas clearly and effectively with words. Example, he was able to articulate his thoughts during the presentation.